Many people imagine they'll discover their life's purpose through thinking and introspection. I myself have imagined this for significant periods of my life. I thought if I could just get enough time to focus and really put thought into this topic, I can discover my gifts, talents, and ultimate purpose. While I think it's true that some self-discovery exercises, journaling, and introspection are helpful in finding patterns and clues that give us a general direction in life, I don't think we find our highest passions by exclusively thinking them into existence. Instead, I think we stumble into them through a combination of self-awareness, but more importantly, by taking action. There's a pattern for finding our passion and purpose that I've seen work over and over again. It has 7 parts. Number 1, we notice our general proclivities and alignments. Maybe you discover that you think a certain way or that you gravitate toward a certain activity. Number 2, we do something new in that area, perhaps something a bit difficult, and we take some risks. Number 3, we start to gain competence in that area, just enough for it to begin resonating with you. Number 4, competence begins to create agency. Agency is the feeling of making a contribution. We start to think, I can make a difference here. Number 5, agency creates attachment and ownership. We think, this is something that I can do. Number 6, attachment creates meaning and purpose. And number 7, finally, meaning creates passion. But this doesn't mean that just anything can become our main thing. It must still align with our direction and personality traits. Some of these patterns can be discovered and clarified through introspection, but the thing itself is formed through taking action. It seems like the deepest passions and purposes in life begin to appear when at least 3 things align. You believe the goal matters, you believe your actions affect the outcome, and through testing, which is taking action, this is confirmed, and the cost becomes acceptable. When these 3 align, resilience begins to build. The more my action confirms my ability to change my reality, the deeper the resilience and the higher the passion. We begin to think, this matters. I can make a difference with my actions, and it's worth it. But that passion cannot be reasoned into existence from the safety of a chair. It must be encountered in the wild, tested, and strengthened in reality. If you're unsure what your passions are, maybe you don't need more motivation, or more introspection, or more thinking. Maybe you need evidence. If this resonated with you, I'd love to hear from you. What's one small step, one small risk that you can take this week to move toward discovering your purpose? Let me know in the comments below. I help people become more effective, disciplined, and fulfilled by teaching practical principles of life mastery. If you're interested in disciplined personal growth and building a stronger life, consider subscribing. And if you know someone who might benefit from this video or videos like this, I would appreciate it if you shared this video with them. That's it for today. See ya.